Hi guys, my name is Shirley. Welcome to another SHERO tutorial. Today we're going to learn XG's Rock the Boat. And if you guys like our videos, subscribe. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 5, 6.
Ooh, you came and rocked the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat, knocked me off that way. Ooh, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Ooh, you came and hot W.
5, 6,
Ooh, you came and rocked the boat, caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat, knocked me off that way. Ooh, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Ooh, you came and hot W.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and tag us at SHERO Officials. Now, see you guys next time. Bye.
Ooh, you came and rocked the boat,